Good morning, YouTubers. All right, that was a pretty lame introduction. Hey, new mod here, fixing this China bike for fat ass Americans. Notice how close the pedal is to the frame here. Do you hit your foot on there? Do you bang it? Look at this. Foot on there, you're so close. Here's a picture of my other mountain bike, and there's good clearance. Now realize that the juice bike Scorpion has got a lot of girth to the guts of it. So we need to get our American fat legs spread out further apart so that we got clearance. I want something like that. I want to be able to clearly clear the frame. And as usual, I have a solution for it. Okay, here is a somewhat close-up of the pedal extension. I gotta tell you, I don't think this thing's made in China. This feels quality. The threads are clean, they're smooth, they look precision made, and the metal composite of this feels like not just the feel and the weight of it, but you know, the impact sockets that you have for your impact wrench. This feels like the same heavy metal that those are made out of. So I got a lot of confidence in this part here, unlike the pedals and the crank arm, which we know are China. So this should be fine. So just like that, there is my solution. What this is a pedal extender. They're available on Amazon and everywhere else you shop online. It's a male to female coupling threaded adapter. They got them in different widths, or should I say lengths, to extend the pedals out and away. Look at the space and the room that I have now versus before, when it was like this with a 1/2 inch of space between there and the frame. Now I can pedal like a fat American. Will that stay? Ah, look at there. Anyways, let me show you how this works. Let me show you how this goes on. It's very easy. You're gonna need a 15 millimeter wrench to remove the pedal, and you're gonna need a 3/4 American, yay, for the adapter that goes in. So unlike the right side of the bike, where righty-tighty, lefty-loosey works, the left side is the opposite. So it's lefty-tighty, righty-loosey. Lefty-loosey, lefty-righty, there we go. So remove the pedal. Now, it's your choice, your option to do Loctite or anti-seize, but as you can see, I'm not too interested in either one of those. So the adapter goes in first, put that in first. Get it finger tight, get your 3/4 inch out, put some oomph on it, torque it to oomph number of pounds, get your pedal. Lefty-tighty, righty-loosey. You can do this by fingers. Now I know I've seen online where a bunch of these have broken or unthreaded or cross-threaded. I don't know what the problem is. Mine feels fine, like it should right there. And then put a little oomph on it, torque it down to oomph number of pounds, and you're good to go. Now, let's get Fjester's size 11 fat American shoe and show you the difference. Look at that. I got clearance now versus before I was like that. All right, man. Let's go for a test ride. Much better. I like it. I got room for my junk now while I'm pedaling.